विसावा उपरांत तुमकां येवकार पळोवया फुडल्यो खबरो. रेंट ए कॅब ही केंद्र सरकारा खाला येवजण आसा. STA गोंयांत सुमार 132 परमिटां पुष्कळ ट्रॅव्हल्साक दिल्लीं आसा म्हण म्हायती प्रकाश आजावेदो हांणी दिल्या. आर्डेक्सको खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
Rent a cab is a scheme under the Central Motor Vehicles rules. The STA Goa had granted altogether almost about 132 permits to one Push Tours and Travels. Thereafter, other interested parties moved the High Court, and as per the High Court order, that it being a central scheme cannot be held in abeyance, the scheme was opened and fresh licenses have been issued to North Goa Rent a Cab Association, and a sub-office license has been issued to Valankani Auto Hirers. Altogether, we have a total of around 900 plus vehicles which are converted or operating as rent a cabs in this state. Applications, there are many aspirants who are also thinking of applying for this. They have been coming here to make inquiries, and as and when applications are coming in, they are being examined, verified. Thereafter, they will be placed before the STA for consideration.